Introducing the 2019 Volvo XC60 T8 Twin-N Phev Rdsn GT5 door auto in sleek black. This hybrid beauty boasts a powerful 2-litre engine, a combination of petrol and plug-in electric, and an automatic transmission for a smooth drive. Loaded with comfort and safety features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, multiple airbags, and collision alert, this vehicle prioritizes your peace of mind on the road. With luxurious interior details and stylish exterior accents, the Volvo XC60 is both practical and sophisticated. From its smart card entry to its energy recuperation system, this car is designed with your convenience and efficiency in mind. And don't forget the comprehensive warranty and multi-point health and safety check for added assurance. For more information on making this stunning Volvo yours, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie. Experience the luxury and innovation of the XC60 today.